Let us learn second chapter, that is periodic classification of elements. In this chapter we are going to learn elements and their classification. Means the previous study we have done, we have learned matters, the types of matters, that are elements, compounds, mixtures. In the given three types, elements and compounds are called as. Then we are going to learn in this chapter Doberainus triads. Next to that we will learn Newland's law of octaves. After that, Mendeleev's periodic table. And modern periodic table. Can you recall what are the types of matter? Yes, matter, which is divided in three main parts, main class, that are elements, compounds, mixtures. In that, elements and compounds are called as pure substances and mixture is called as unpure. What are the types of elements? Elements classified in three groups, that are metals, non-metals and metalloids. What are the smallest particle of matter called? Yes, the smallest particle of the matter is called as atom for element and molecule for compounds. Then smallest particle of element is called as atom and the smallest particle of compound is called as molecule. What is the difference between the atom of elements and molecule of compound? Let us learn, let us revise that difference. Atom, which is the smallest particle of an element, molecule, which is the smallest particle of a compound. Atom does not exist in a free state except in a noble gases. You know that the elements which are called as noble gases are always in a free state. Remaining elements which are lack in electrons, they are always tried to be stable state. So atoms does not exist in a free state except noble gases. Molecule always exist in a free state. Except some noble gases, other molecules are highly reactive. They try to acquire free state, therefore they are highly reactive. But molecules which are always in a free state, they are very less reactive. Atom does not have chemical bond, but molecules have chemical bonds between the atoms present in that molecule. So atoms in the molecules are held by chemical bond in the molecule. Now let us see classification of elements. Atom of an element, which is the smallest particle. The smallest particle of element is called as atom. This atom of an element are only one type. Means there is an element like carbon, there is an element like hydrogen, have all the atoms of same type or a single type. In 1800, only 30 elements are known. After that, lot of elements are discovered by scientists. Earlier days or today, 118 elements are known to us. Therefore, scientists have started to study the regular pattern between the elements which can describe various types of elements or groups. Initially, the classification are done by various scientists. They try to classify given elements or given matter. So, initial classification of elements like metals and non-metals. Later that, three groups are formed in the classification of elements. Three groups are formed: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. So in this way, scientists have tried to classify the element, and at the earlier stages, elements are classified in three groups: metals, non-metals, and metalloids.